Hello everyone, welcome to African Night Food. Today we are making a grilled tilapia, Ghana style. So we have two small tilapia that we clean, wash and everything. Now we have also our herbs. We have rosemary, we have parsley, thyme, oregano, and we have mustard, French mustard. And then we have olive oil, salt, fish seasoning, and we also have garlic, ginger, and onion, and Scotch bonnet, and a bit of slice of lemon here. So let's start. What we're gonna do first, we're gonna blend this ginger, garlic, and onion, and the Scotch bonnet, mixed with the herbs. Here, and I'm gonna add a bit of salt in it, a bit of salt, not too much. Let's see. Okay, now I'm gonna blend this. So I have blended my mixture here. I'm gonna put it into this bowl here. And then we'll come back on it later. Back to our fish. So what I've done here, the fish is clean, so I'm just gonna cut into the fish, not too much, just a tiny bit here, and on the other side the same cut. See? That's it. Now the fish is cut and everything. So what we're going to do now, we're going to marinate our fish. So here, I'm gonna put 1 teaspoon of mustard into my mixture. Here, 1. And I'm adding my fish seasoning also, about another teaspoon of it, because it's salty and I have already added salt into it, so I don't need that much. So I mix them together. So now what we do, this sauce is mixture is really hot, so if you have gloves, you can wear small gloves, light one, the cooking one, that you can use it. So I'm also gonna add the olive oil also into my mixture. So 2 olive oil teaspoons. Okay. Mix them together. At this point you can taste it if you like. You can taste it if you like, to check if the salt is all right for you, but I think for me it's all right. So I'm just gonna marinate now the fish, put everything inside. So I'm wearing my gloves, can you see? That's it. So everything is gonna go inside now. Inside, make sure it goes really well inside and the outside as well, everywhere. Okay, putting everything inside, so I'll do it and show you how I do it. Everywhere. When I say everywhere, everywhere. Everywhere. So the fish can take really good and nice. Yeah. On the other side also. Inside where it's open, a bit inside. That's it, everywhere. So at this point you have marinated your fish really well. So everything is going inside. Everything inside. I'm finishing my whole mixture. Make sure that my fish tastes really nice. Okay, and there, tuck it in, and rub it everywhere. So everything now is done. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna add my lemon slice. So this is 1 lemon that slice. So I'm gonna put 2 in each one. Okay. And there. That's it. Leave it inside. This is my grill. I'm gonna use my oven to do it because I can't do it outside, it's too hot. So I'm using the oven. So now here on my grill, I have spray a bit of oil on the grill. I have this, this spray here, coconut light spray light. So what you do, you just spray like that on the grill, so the fish doesn't stick on the grill. Yeah, that's it. Not too much, a bit. Yeah. So now my fish is gonna go on it like so. My oven is on already, so I'm just gonna add all these things. I'm not leaving them out because I need everything to be in there. So the oven is preheat already, so I'm gonna put this inside the oven 180. So, and I have preheat for about 15 minutes now, so I'm gonna add the fish inside for 10 minutes and we'll be back. But it hasn't been 10 minutes, so I'm gonna turn the fish over and put it back again. That's it. And then this one also, that's it. I'm gonna leave it, put it back in the oven. So this is the final result of our tilapia, our grilled tilapia, Ghana style. So it's finished. We're gonna serve the tilapia with garlic fufu here, there, and I'll also do my pepper sauce and shito, tomatoes and red onions together. So I hope you enjoy my tutorial today, that you try and you comment and tell me how it goes. So please, if you like this, please give me a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and comment. Thank you.